Chapter 1 Incredible India Learning Objectives 1. Understanding different components of India. 2. Analyzing the incredibility of our nation. Incredible India from Kanyakumari to Himalaya, having 29 states and 7 territories that has mountains, plains, coast and deserts. Varied flora and fauna found here that provides it a rich, flourishing biodiversity. India had many civilizations as Harappan, the Aryans, the Mauryans. India's economy is ever booming and currently the third largest growing. India has amity with all the nations, be it America, China, Africa or Bhutan. India land has given birth to geniuses such as Ambedkar, Nehru, Kalam, Gandhi. Hindus, Muslims, Christians, Sikhs all inhabit Indian land without any fears. India is really incredible through its heart and soul. Exercise time. A. Answer the following questions. 1. How many states and territories does India have? Answer. India is having 29 states. India is having 29 states and 7 territories. 2. Name some ancient civilizations of India. Answer. India had many civilizations as Harappan, the Aryans and the Mauryans. 3. Write about the economy of India. Answer. India's economy is ever booming and currently the third largest growing. 4. Who are the geniuses written about in the poem? Answer. India land has given birth to geniuses such as Ambedkar, Nehru, Kalam and Gandhi. 5. People from which religions live in India? Answer. People from Hinduism, Christianity, Islam and Sikhism lives in India. B. Find their meaning. 1. Economy. The operation of a country's money supply, etc. 2. Amity, friendly relations. Number 3. Geniuses, people with very great or unusual ability. Number 4. Inhabit, to live in a place. C. Fill in the blanks. 1. The poem praises the nation's rich and varied heritage. 2. The poem tells us about the birth of geniuses. Number 3. India is incredible through its heart and soul. D. Take the correct options. 1. India is incredible from Kanyakumari to 1. Delhi, 2. Gujarat, 3. Himalaya. Answer 3. Himalaya. 2. India has a dash biodiversity. 1. Narrow, 2. Flourishing, 3. Diminishing. Answer 2. Flourishing. 3. India has dash largest growing economy. 1. Second, 2. Fourth, 3. Third. Answer 3. Third. 4. Hindus, Muslims, Christians, Sikhs dash Indian land. 1. Inhabit, 2. Survive, 3. Work. Answer 1. Inhabit. Match the following. Column A. 1. Booming, 2. Incredible, 3. Flourishing, 4. Civilization. Column B. A. Unbelievable, B. Growing well, C. Type of culture and civilization, D. Suddenly increasing. Answer 1. Booming, D. suddenly increasing. 2. Incredible. A. Unbelievable. 3. Flourishing. B. Growing well. 4. Civilization. Type of culture and civilization. Let's enjoy the poem. Work on India's fact file and find out the factual information given below. Fact file. 1. Capital city. 2. Population. 3. Currency. 4. Sanskrit name of India. 5. Neighboring countries. Do it yourself. Communication. Writing skills. An acrostic poem is a type of poetry where the first letter of each line spell out a word or a phrase. This is usually the same as the topic of the poem. The poem below is an example. Winter wonderland. Ice is slippery. Nothing is hot. The weather is cold. Everything it touches cold. Really cold. Write another acrostic poem in the space given below. Answer. Do it yourself. Reading skills. Read the national anthem of our country and find out the answer of below shared questions. Number 1. Who composed the national anthem? Answer. Dr. Rabindranath Tagore. 2. When was the national anthem adopted by the Constitution? Answer. 24th January 1950. 3. How many spokes are there in the Ashok Chakra? Answer. 28. Number 4. What is the recital time of the national anthem? Answer. 52 seconds. Listening and speaking skills. Listen to the poem your teacher is going to recite in the class and discuss a few reasons why you think India is incredible. Answer. Do it yourself.